Hello, Tina here from the AI Prosperity Hub, the channel where we dive into the smartest AI tools, proven strategies for digital success, and the future of online entrepreneurship. I've got something wild to show you. A tool that builds your video from scratch. No editing, no stress. If you've ever thought about making videos but didn't know where to start, this might be the most helpful video you watch today. Whether you want to grow on YouTube, market a product, or just create content faster, I want to show you a tool that's helped me do all of that. It's called InVideo AI. I've been using it for a while now, and I'm going to give you an honest, step-by-step breakdown of what it does, how it works, and why I think it's one of the best tools out there right now. And yes, I'll show you exactly how you can try it yourself. The link is in the description. Enjoying this so far? Tap the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss the next smart AI tool we review. And yes, it's available with subtitles in multiple languages, no matter where you're watching from. Let me show you what this one can do. To understand why it matters, let's look at why making videos is so frustrating for most people until now. Let's start with a simple question. Why is making videos so hard for most people? If you're like me, you've probably tried editing software that made you want to pull your hair out. Maybe you struggled with writing the perfect script, finding good footage, or recording a decent voiceover. The process is time-consuming, intimidating, and often expensive. Even hiring freelancers can be hit or miss, and those costs add up quickly. So here's the real problem. You have ideas, maybe even products to sell, but you don't have time to learn video production. That's where AI tools come in. And InVideo AI, in particular, has completely changed the game. So, how does it work? Let me walk you through the process. InVideo AI is a web-based platform that lets you create entire videos by simply typing a few words. You enter your topic. For example, 10 smart travel hacks for 2025 inches, or the best budget laptops for students. Within seconds, InVideo writes a full script, selects stock video clips, adds transitions, overlays your captions, and includes a natural voiceover automatically. You can preview it right away. And the best part? You can edit anything. Change the narration voice, replace clips, add or remove scenes. It's all drag and drop. No technical skills required. It works for YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, ads, product explainers, tutorials, you name it. But let me take it a step further and tell you how it worked for me. Real use, real results. For me, it started with needing to make better YouTube videos without spending hours editing. I tried other AI tools, but they often gave robotic voices or weird footage. The script writing felt natural. The voices sounded human. And the video flow? Surprisingly professional. Even my test videos got better engagement. And the best part, I could create a complete video in under 20 minutes. That's a game changer. So now that you've seen what it can do, let me show you the specific features I use and love the most. And if you got value from this, you can hit the thanks button anytime. It's a great way to support what we're building here on the AI Prosperity Hub. Now let's talk about what makes InVideo AI stand out. I keep coming back to a few features, and they saved me hours. First, the AI voiceovers. You can choose from dozens of realistic voices in multiple accents, male or female, friendly or professional. I use a female American voice with a clear tone, and it fits almost any type of content. Second, the footage selection. InVideo pulls from millions of royalty-free clips. You don't need to film anything. Just pick the clips you like, or let the AI pick them for you. Third, the script editor. You can tweak any part of the video, text, pacing, even voice inflection, without leaving the browser. Everything is synced, so when you change the script, the voiceover updates instantly. It's so easy. And finally, branding. You can add your logo, your fonts, your colors, it's all customizable. But what surprised me, just how many different types of creators does this work for? You don't need to be a YouTuber or a full-time creator to use InVideo. If you run an online store, create ads, teach courses, or manage social media for a brand, InVideo saves time and boosts quality. Real estate agents are using it for listings. Teachers use it to create lessons. Affiliate marketers use it for product reviews. Even travel bloggers are using it to narrate their experiences without ever being on camera. The range is huge. If you need videos but don't want to film, write, or edit from scratch, this is built for you. Whether you're building your brand, growing an audience, or just saving time, this tool makes video creation effortless. Of course, one question always comes up. What's the cost? Let's talk about pricing and why it's one of the best parts. Now let's talk pricing. InVideo AI offers a free trial so you can test everything before you commit. If you decide to upgrade, the cost is surprisingly low, especially when you compare it to hiring just one video editor or voice artist. And yes, no matter where you are in the world, you can sign up and use it right away. And if you use the link in my description, you'll get access to their best deal. Yes, it's an affiliate link, and using it helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. So if you've been thinking about trying it out, now's the time. But maybe you've been holding off on making videos because it all felt too overwhelming. Let me show you why that's no longer a problem. If you've been putting off video creation because it felt overwhelming, you don't need to anymore. InVideo AI gives you a shortcut without sacrificing quality. I've tested it, I use it, and I fully recommend it if you want to save time, simplify your workflow, and produce better content fast. You don't need editing skills, you don't need expensive software, you just need an idea and a few minutes. So if you're ready to try it, the link is right below. Go see what it can do for your next video. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more smart tools, AI tips, and time-saving tech. If you'd like to support our work, don't forget to tap the thanks button below. And yes, subtitles are available in multiple languages, wherever you're watching from. And don't forget, your next video could be just one prompt away. Check the link below to start using InVideo AI today.